Have you ever needed to reinstall Windows but didn't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive using Microsoft's official tool. Even if you've never done this before, you can follow along step by step. If you are new to my channel, please help like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure you have everything ready. You will need a USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of storage, a working internet connection, and a Windows computer. One important reminder: creating the bootable USB will erase everything currently stored on the USB drive. If you have important files inside it, copy them somewhere safe before continuing. Step 1. Download the official tool. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Windows 10 ISO. Then click on Microsoft's official website. When the page loads, you probably won't see a direct download option right away. But don't worry, here's a simple trick. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Next, look for the small device icon, usually shaped like a phone and tablet, and click it to convert your screen into mobile view. Once that's done, hit refresh. After the page reloads, you can go ahead and close the Inspect panel. Scroll down, and you'll finally see the direct download links. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition and hit Confirm. Next, choose your product language. I'll be selecting English, and hit Confirm one more time. But wait, before we choose the 64-bit or 32-bit option, let me show you how to quickly check which version your PC is currently running. Just click the Start button on your desktop, type dxdiag, and hit Enter. When the window opens, look for the line called Operating System. It will tell you exactly if you have a 64-bit or 32-bit system. Once you know your version, head back to your browser. Click the option that matches your PC, and your ISO file will start downloading. While waiting for the ISO file, let's download Rufus. Open a new browser tab. Go to the Rufus website. Look for the latest version. Click the download link. Once the download is complete, save the file to your computer. The good news is that Rufus doesn't require installation. You simply open it and start using it. Now insert your USB flash drive into your computer. Wait a few seconds for Windows to recognize it. Make sure there are no important files on the drive because everything will be erased during this process. Locate the Rufus file you downloaded. Double-click it to open. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Rufus will now launch. You should see a simple window with several options. Now, select your USB flash drive. Now let's load the Windows 10 ISO file. Click the Select button. Browse to the location where you saved the ISO file. Click the Windows 10 ISO. Then click Open. Rufus will automatically read the file and configure several settings for you. Next, we need to choose the correct partition scheme. If you aren't sure which one your PC uses, don't worry. It's very easy to check. Open your Start menu and search for System Information. Open the app and look for the line that says BIOS mode. If your system says UEFI, go back to Rufus and select GPT. If it says Legacy, choose MBR. Once you have the correct scheme selected, move down to the volume label box and type in Windows 10. Now that everything is ready to go, just click Start. Once you click Start, a new window will pop up asking if you want to customize the installation, like setting up a local admin account. I'm going to uncheck this option and click OK. After that, Rufus will give you one final warning that all data on your USB drive will be destroyed. Just click OK one more time and the process will begin. This process may take several minutes, and you'll see a progress bar slowly moving across the screen. While Rufus is working, absolutely do not remove the USB flash drive. Just let the process finish completely. Since that bar is going to take its sweet time crawling to 100%, this is the perfect moment to step away and make yourself a cup of coffee. Or, depending on how slow your computer is, maybe even cook a full dinner. Just leave it alone and we'll come back when it's done. Now, after a few minutes, you'll see the status bar at the bottom finally change to ready. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Windows 10 bootable USB flash drive. You can go ahead and close Rufus now. Once that's done, safely eject the USB drive from your computer, and your installation USB is officially ready to use. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial made the process easy to understand. Once you've done it one time, creating a bootable USB becomes very simple. If the video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.